Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bybit. Okay, so first up, under your Bitget account, go ahead over to your wallet right here and just click on withdraw. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and select the coin USDT. Click on this drop down, select USDT, and it says here select a network. So click on drop down. Maybe we're going to select TRC20 right here or Tron. Okay, and it says here it needs a withdrawal address. So go ahead over to your Bybit account. Now click on a deposit right here, or at the top right, you have deposit as well. So go ahead and click on deposit crypto. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and select the same coin, which is USDT, and the chain with Tron as well. Okay, we have selected Tron under our Bitget account. So Tron will be selected here as well under Bitget. Okay, and here we have our deposit address. So copy it. Go back to Bitget, paste that in here, and then just click on next. And it says here, how much USDT would you like to transfer? Okay. So for example, the minimum amount right here is 10. So here you have the amount, the transaction fees, and the amount that you will receive to your Bybit account. So if you're happy with it, click on withdraw, follow simple prompts. And once done, go ahead and check your Bybit assets. Okay. And you should be able to see that the USDT is now under your assets section. Okay. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bybit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.